crazy. I'm spending all my time with you. Try